Today, I'll show you how to add ranking questions in Google Forms. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. Google Forms does not have a built-in question type called ranking. Instead, the usual workaround is to create a multiple choice grid or checkbox grid question and arrange your options so people can rank items in order. Google's Forms help lists both grid question types, and it also lets you apply rules like limit to one response per column, which is what makes a ranking-style question possible. To get started, open Google Forms and create a new form or open an existing one. Then click Add Question and change the question type to Multiple Choice Grid. In the rows, enter the things you want people to rank, like products, features, or choices. In the columns, enter the ranking positions, such as first, second, third, and fourth. Google's Forms help explains that grid questions let you place options into rows and columns, which makes this setup work like a simple ranking question. Now here's the key setting that makes it useful. At the bottom of the question, turn on limit to one response per column. Google says this rule prevents respondents from choosing the same column more than once, which is exactly what you want in a ranking question. That way, one item can be ranked first, one item can be ranked second, and so on, instead of letting people reuse the same rank multiple times. If you want a slightly different style, you can also use a checkbox grid, but for most ranking forms, multiple choice grid is usually cleaner because it allows only one selection per row by default. Google's help explains that in a multiple choice grid, responders can choose one column per row, while checkbox grids allow multiple selections unless you add extra rules. For a simpler version, Google Forms also offers a linear scale question, but that works better for rating something from low to high, rather than ranking several items against each other. Google says linear scale questions can run from 0 or 1 up to 10, so they're better for satisfaction or importance scores than true first-to-last rankings. Before sending the form, test the question yourself to make sure the ranking works the way you want. If needed, mark it as required so people can't skip it. Google Forms supports required questions, and testing is especially helpful with grid layouts, so you can check that the rank order is clear and easy to answer. And that's how to add ranking questions in Google Forms. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.